So this is the one that was being mentioned here. It definitely has a sign answer because the answer key indicates the inverse tangent should be used. So again, because the answer is wrong, we know for a fact that they did definitely mean plus here. So this would be tan inverse x 1 to root 3 to 1. So tan inverse 1 is pi over 4. And then tan inverse root 3 is pi over 3. So what's that? 12, is it? But minus a 12 pi, minus pi over 12. Oh, because this is bigger. We can check the answer in a moment. That one's the same deal. Tan inverse. So let me just type it in on the calculator. Tan inverse root 3 minus tan inverse 1 over root 3. That's pi over 6. Okay, that's a sec inverse. Sec inverse x1 to root 2. We'll have to calculate that. Let me just check the answer for 394. Oh no, we can't check the answer for 394. 393. Yeah. And I can check it. I'll check it in a moment for 395. Okay, so just remember that sec is 1 over cos x. So if you have y equals 1 over cos x, then cos x equals 1 over y. So x is cos inverse y minus 1. So that means the inverse function, which is the sec function, sec inverse I mean, that will be cos inverse x inverse. So that would be cos inverse 1 over root 2 minus cos inverse 1. Let's see what we get. Well, it's just going to be 45, isn't it? Cos inverse 1 over root 2 minus cos inverse 1. Yeah, 45. Pi over 4. And the same deal here. So that would be root 3 over 2 minus cos inverse 1. So that one would be pi over 6. Let's check the answer for 395. Pi over 4? Yep. Yep. So I guess those two must be right then. Okay. I might as well do... Oh no, I did do 396, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Okay, so these ones are a little bit different because, well, actually, they're not much different. If I compare it to the formula here, the only one we just be careful about is when there's a coefficient on the x, but we can just divide that out. So these are all actually pretty straightforward, in fact.